You're watching this video right now in Nigeria, especially if you're tired of watching motivational speakers tell you to hustle and to work, but they don't tell you exactly how. Then this video will change everything for you. I want you to watch till the end, because in this video I'll be revealing the 5 simple skills that you need to learn as an average youth in Nigeria that other people are using to make as much as 10,000 naira or more every single day. These skills are not going to start working tomorrow, next year, or next 2 years. They are working right now. And before I even review these skills to you, let me tell you what you don't need. You don't need a laptop. You don't need millions of naira in your account. You don't need 50,000 followers. You don't even need hundreds of thousands of connections. All you need is your smartphone and the willingness and the knowledge I'm about to dish out to you in this video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. The number 1 skill at the top of my list is sales and marketing. And a lot of people keep on asking me, why do you scream about this? Because this is the basic skill that every single person needs to learn. Survive, to thrive. This skill is what other skills stack up on. So you that is sitting in your house right now with your phone, with good internet connection, you're still confused about how you can make money online. Follow this blueprint closely. This is exactly how I did mine. I'm going to be niching this down to a particular business model so that you don't get confused when I say sales and marketing. So we're going to be niching it down to affiliate marketing. And believe me, affiliate marketing is the simplest business model that anybody can start from the comfort of their house, because you don't need to go about creating any product again. All you need to do now is learn these skills I'm about to review to you, and then you're well on your way. All right. So how do you start with this? To start with affiliate marketing as a beginner, you don't even need TikTok. You don't need to run complex Facebook ads. Start with your WhatsApp. There are people you know on your WhatsApp. You're in an environment. You don't need to go and start selling expensive courses. No, that's the mistake a lot of people make. You go and start selling expensive courses. Start with something basic. And the beautiful thing about this is that we have AI now. AI literally simplifies every single thing for you. The blueprint you need to follow actually is get a simple low ticket offer. You could price it at 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira at most. All right. You package it properly and you start selling it to people. Now, what do you need to do? Carry out your research. Don't just go out of the blue and bring out something random. What you're offering people right now should be solving a problem. All right. So how do you do this? That vendor that sells on your WhatsApp, that vendor that sells shoes or wigs on your WhatsApp, they have challenges they face. Those WhatsApp TVs, they all have challenges they face. All right. Your duty now is to find how to sell something to them. Now, this is exactly how you can do it. ChatGPT is here already. So basically, all you need to do is you go to ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT, you say, hey, I really want to start making money online as much as 10,000 naira per day. What do I do? Okay, I have an idea already. I'm giving you an idea in this video already. So I have an idea already, and I would like to sell a low ticket offer, but I want to create it around a problem that a lot of people have. So give me 5 business niches that have a general problem that I could solve with a PDF or an ebook or a private video. Now, ChatGPT lists the business models. It could list bakers, it could list sneaker sellers, WhatsApp vendors, whatever. Now, what you need to do is you select a business niche and be like, okay, which of these have the most general problem? I'm addressing the Nigerian market. Which of these have the most general problem? Or which of these have the most people that are experiencing a single problem? It could be a single problem, but a lot of people what makes a big problem is the size of people that experience that problem. So you say, okay, let's select bakers now. Now there are 2 types of products you can create. There's the opportunity product and then there's the improvement product. Now you don't want to focus on opportunity product, you want to focus on improvement product. Opportunity product basically says, hey, this new business model, come, I'll teach you how to do it. Improvement is, oh, your improvement products are, oh, you're doing something already. Here is what can help you get better. So if you're selling an improvement product to a baker or to a video editor, you're saying, oh, you're a video editor, but you're still struggling with this. Here is how to get better. Do you understand? So your product is helping them get better. You're not introducing something new altogether. So let's say you create a product, a product for a video editor or a baker, and then it could be in form of a PDF. Now, bakers, an improvement product for a baker could be new recipes, where to get cheaper, how to get cheaper recipes, or how to mix ingredients to get something, to manage your costs and everything, or how to price your cakes better. These are something you ask ChatGPT, okay, what problem do average bakers in Nigeria face? Don't focus on the masses, okay? What problem does an average video editor face in Nigeria? It gives you the problem, like, okay, how can I package this problem into a solution on a PDF, on a video? And you don't just stop there. You can also prompt ChatGPT to say, okay, now you've given me the solution. Now you understand where I'm going. Give me a full PDF that outlines the problem, the solution, and how they can go about solving this. I want to price it at 5,000 naira, or I want to price it at 10,000 naira. So the value should be worth 10,000 naira. All right. So when ChatGPT finishes giving you this PDF, come on, you have people on your WhatsApp already. Use Canva to design a brief flyer saying the launch of a book that is 10,000 naira, but you're selling it at 2,000 naira for the first 10 people to get it. And then you distribute it to your friends, your classmates, this is the way to start. Your friends, your classmates, tell them to post on their status. All right. Whenever and when they distribute, this is distribution for you. Any other person that comes in from their funnel or from what they post, you give them the book or you sell it to them, and then you ask them to repost on their status again. Of course, you can offer them a bonus. This is a simple way to make money. If you sell the 2K offer to 5 people in a day, that's 10,000 naira for you. All right. And then you start growing your WhatsApp audience. You can now expand to posting on Facebook, posting on TikTok. Profit you make, you use it to run mini ads for this low ticket product, and that's how you can make money with sales and marketing. This is just the basics. This is just something you can start with immediately. Outline the general pain points, the problem that people in these businesses face, get a solution, package the solution, and then sell the solution to them at a very cheap price. All right, sell it to as many people as possible. Second skill you need to learn is copywriting. And what is copywriting? Copywriting is basically writing to sell. Now, copywriting still aids sales and marketing, because at some point you have to write copies that are able to compel. So copywriting is for people that are camera shy. Some of you that can't be able to talk in front of a camera, that's not an excuse. Copywriting is a form of content creation too. You could write copies for people that want to run ads. So when you go on Facebook, you check ads, you look at ads. Anybody running an ad, you could go through their ad copy it, send it to ChatGPT and say, make this more compelling and more captivating. Remember, I want 100% conversion or 80% conversion with this ad copy. Revamp it, and then ChatGPT gives you something crazier. You copy it and send it to the DM of whoever is running an ad, and tell them that you can write more ad copies for them like this at a certain price. You can start with 5,000 naira per copy. You could start with 10,000 naira per copy. You could start with 5,000 naira per copy. Actually, once you get 2 people that you're writing copies for, or 3 people you're writing copies for every day, you could write 5 copies for 1 person. That's 25,000 naira. You see how you can start making your money from there. Carry out your research. Don't be a lazy marketer. If you really want to make money online, it's not free. You don't have the money yet. You have enough time. So spend this time carrying out proper research. Find people that need ad copies, write copies for them and sell to them. People that run ads, their video scripts. You could use ChatGPT to write out full-blown video scripts that will convert. Now you can get very good at copywriting just by prompting ChatGPT and learning copywriting from ChatGPT. Or you could go on YouTube and learn from people like Jim Edwards and carry out your research, of course. The third skill you need to get very good at, you need to learn, is video editing. Now, I can't even stress enough on video editing, because video editing is literally what changed my life. All right. Learning video editing is very basic. Of course, there are basics of video editing. And the good news is, as an average Nigerian, just learning the basics with CapCut, that is what you need to just set up yourself. You don't need to learn how to use Adobe Premiere. You don't need to learn how to use all those complex apps. Just learning how to clip videos, put them together, use the right transitions, use the right background sound, put the auto captions, everything. Just the basics. You can start charging influencers 5,000 naira per video, 7,000 naira per video, and then you build up from there. Time as you keep on getting better with video editing, you now know that, okay, it takes so much time to edit one particular video. You up your prices. Editing 4 videos for someone in a day at 5,000 naira per video, that's 20,000 naira. All right. So get good at video editing. Learn video editing. It's a skill worth learning. This is what changed my life. Now, the fourth skill you need to learn is social media marketing. Businesses are eager for people who have the knowledge of how different platforms and their algorithms work. People who are able to manage their accounts for them, because they don't have the time for it. Now, this is a very big business need that lots of people are not aware of. If you really want to break into this market, look for businesses or starters that want to build an online presence but don't have the time to do it. You can see this from influencers who post irregularly. Carry out your research again. Influencers who post irregularly, probably they post today, don't post again in the next 2 weeks. It's probably because they don't have the time. Now you're feeling as someone that can do that for them. All right. This one is a little bit complex, because you don't charge per video or charge probably it's per week or per month. So you select your price point, fix it at that, and you can start handling social media accounts for them. All you just need to do is post the videos at the right time, use the right hashtags, use the right captions. Again, you can use ChatGPT to generate all this. Use the right captions, post at the right time. Okay, know how this algorithm works, the right time to post and everything. Again, it is free. You can learn this on YouTube. You can learn this anywhere. All right, you don't need to pay money to learn this skill. And the last skill is virtual assistance. It's not a skill per se, but this is something that I've seen change a lot of people's lives. All right, being a virtual assistant to people who have a lot of money but don't have a lot of time to spare. So now this is where you come in to fill in for them, being their personal assistant. All you need to do, you can do this from the comfort of your house. All right, basically carrying out tasks for them that they could have done. It could be handling a WhatsApp group. It could be handling a Telegram group. It could be setting reminders for calls. Simple, basic things. All right. It's not, virtual assistant is not all so big. Again, it could be more complex, but I'm telling you how you that is just sitting down there watching me now with your phone and your internet connection with no money or little or no money to invest. This is how you can start. Look for people. Build up yourself. Watch videos on how to handle WhatsApp groups, how to handle Telegram groups, how to handle communities, and search for people who need this skill. They are willing to pay you extremely well for it. Now, let me tell you something very important. These skills, all of them work individually, but what I'll tell you to do right now is pick one, master one, stick to one, get your hands very dirty with one, make as much money as possible from one, master one before moving to another. Drop a comment on the one you'll be starting with. I'd like to know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And as usual, where you are right now is not your final destination. See you at the top.